Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can watch England vs Sri Lanka second ODI live on your mobile phone, on laptop or on your computer system. But before than that, I would like you to subscribe my channel, to like my video, to comment it and to share it with your friends so they can get benefit from it as well. Alright, so without wasting any further time, first of all, let me show you the link. So this is the link of website pc.livecricket.is. Yes, this is the link of website which you need to open in your web browser, either in your mobile phone, your laptop or your desktop computer. And once you will open this link, then you will see a website just like this. So you will see this website. You can see on the top of this, it is India versus West Indies 2018 match in progress. So by clicking here you can watch the live match. Similarly, if I scroll down, you can see England versus Sri Lanka 2018 match in progress. Again, on any one of these links, if you will click, the live match will open and you can watch it. If you have liked my video and if this trick works for you, then please like my video and subscribe my channel and share my video with your fellows so that in future you do not miss any interesting video. And yes, one thing more, I am going to put the link of this website in the description of my video, so you can click on the link from the description of video as well. Take a great care of you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.